Hello guys, I think it's time for confessions today. She is so ugly that when she sent me her picture through email, my computer detected the virus. She is so ugly that when she was born the doctor said, if it cries, it's not a tumor. She is so ugly that when she auditions for an ugliness contest, they told her, hey, professionals are not allowed. And she was so ugly that when she was born she was put into an incubator with tinted glasses. So ugly that instead of menstruation she has non-menstruation. She is so ugly that she chooses to be a prostitute and she stills a virgin. Oh, come on, she's so ugly she makes the audience cry. But you know what? I can't help it. I'm in love with her.
Laura, can't you give me some time? I got to give myself one more chance to be the man that I know I am. To be the man that I know I am.